Hi, it's Pete Thompson. We're at Innovation Alley at the Smart Factory Expo 2018, and we're finding it really busy. We've had lots of enquiries this morning, and yeah, it's good. At Invisible Systems, we design and manufacture IoT devices. We've got 15 years of experience, 50,000 devices deployed around the world now, monitoring lots of utilities in large manufacturing factories. We monitor things like vibration of machinery for predictive maintenance, and we just find this Industry 4.0 is just growing and growing. It's a big area. We're finding that Industry 4.0 is challenging us not only with hardware to monitor new conditions for manufacturing capabilities, but also to increase capability of our software. A lot more artificial intelligence is becoming required. Okay, the Innovation Alley, we've had many visitors to the exhibition booth this morning. We've met many new suppliers and new potential customers. So